captured tech, the race to understand NATO's arsenal in Ukraine, the fog of war, and the trophy hunt. Since the war's outset in February 2022, the conflict in Ukraine has been a brutal struggle. Beyond the human cost, a technological arms race has unfolded on the ground. NATO countries have poured advanced weaponry into Ukraine to bolster its defenses against the Russian invasion. However, the battlefield is a dynamic environment, and some of these weapons have inevitably fallen into Russian hands. This raises critical questions. How much advanced NATO technology has Russia captured? What are the implications for future conflicts and the global balance of power? While a definitive answer remains elusive due to the ongoing war, analyzing confirmed captures and potential risks offers valuable insights. Confirmed captures, a glimpse into NATO's arsenal. Open-source intelligence OSINT and official reports reveal instances of captured NATO weaponry. These include anti-tank missiles. Javelin's US and NLAW's Sweden have proven devastatingly effective against Russian armor. While designed for single use, some damaged or destroyed launchers have been recovered by Russian forces. Man-portable air defense systems MANPADS. The Stinger US and Starstreak UK missiles have been crucial in countering Russian air power. However, these shoulder-fired systems are relatively simple, and a few launchers have been captured. Artillery and armored vehicles. While primarily Soviet-era equipment, some Western-supplied self-propelled howitzers like the French Caesar have been captured, offering potential insights into targeting and tactics. Beyond the hardware, the race for information. The true value of captured equipment lies not just in the physical systems, but the information they contain. Russia is likely intensely interested in technical specifications. Understanding the capabilities and limitations of NATO weapons allows Russia to develop countermeasures and improve their own equipment. Targeting data and tactics. Captured equipment might hold information on targeting procedures or operational manuals, revealing insights into NATO battle plans. Security features. Examining the encryption and communication protocols used in captured systems could help Russia develop methods to exploit vulnerabilities in future conflicts. The global chessboard, escalation and deterrence. The potential for captured technology to leak has broader implications. Escalation of tensions. If advanced technology falls into the wrong hands through black market sales or state transfers, it could destabilize other regions. Deterrent strategies. The possibility of losing sensitive technology could make NATO countries more cautious in supplying advanced weaponry to future allies. The future of warfare. The lessons learned from captured NATO equipment could inform future Russian military doctrine and weapon development. Mitigating risks. A multi-pronged approach. Several strategies can be employed to minimize the impact of captured technology. Secure communication and encryption. Implementing robust encryption protocols in supplied weapons can limit the intel gleaned from captured systems. Remote disabling capabilities. Equipping weapons with self-destruct mechanisms or remote deactivation features can prevent their continued use by the enemy. Intelligence gathering and counter-espionage. Aggressive intelligence gathering can help track captured equipment and identify potential leaks of sensitive information. Conclusion. A continuing story. The war in Ukraine continues to unfold, and the full extent of captured NATO technology remains unclear. However, it's evident that this conflict has become a testing ground for advanced weaponry. By understanding the potential risks and implementing effective mitigation strategies, NATO and its allies can minimize the long-term impact of captured technology and ensure their continued technological edge. The human factor, beyond the machines in Ukraine, continued. While the focus so far has been on captured technology, the human element remains paramount in the war in Ukraine. Here we'll explore the critical roles played by personnel on both sides and the potential impact of captured technology on training and tactics. Behind the hardware, the skilled hands of soldiers. Advanced weaponry is only as effective as the soldiers who operate it. Ukrainian troops have undergone extensive training on NATO-supplied equipment, maximizing its effectiveness against Russian forces. However, the capture of such equipment raises concerns about reverse engineering. Skilled engineers can analyze captured systems and potentially replicate them, albeit with potential performance limitations. While replicating complex systems like Javelin missiles might be challenging, simpler equipment could be more readily copied. Training enemy forces. Captured equipment could be used to train Russian troops on how to counter NATO technology. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of these systems can provide a significant advantage on the battlefield. Foreign military sales and black market proliferation. The risk of captured technology being sold to other countries or ending up on the black market poses a serious threat. Robust export control mechanisms and international cooperation are essential to prevent the proliferation of advanced weaponry. Learning from the enemy, adapting training and tactics. The capture of NATO equipment also presents opportunities for Ukraine and its allies. Identifying weaknesses. By analyzing captured equipment, Ukrainian forces can identify potential vulnerabilities in their own tactics and adjust their deployment strategies to minimize the risk of future losses. Developing countermeasures. Understanding the capabilities of captured Russian equipment allows for the development of more effective countermeasures, further enhancing Ukrainian defenses. Improving training methods. Simulating encounters with captured equipment in training exercises can better prepare Ukrainian soldiers for future conflicts. The human cost. Beyond technological superiority, it's crucial to remember that war is ultimately a human tragedy. While technological advancements play a significant role, the true cost of conflict is measured in lives lost and futures shattered. Efforts to mitigate the capture and proliferation of advanced weaponry ultimately serve the goal of preventing further bloodshed. Conclusion: a multifaceted challenge. The war in Ukraine highlights the complex interplay between technology, training, and human factors on the modern battlefield. Capturing advanced equipment presents both risks and opportunities. By acknowledging these complexities and fostering international cooperation, nations can work towards a future where technological advancements contribute to peace rather than fueling further conflicts. Further considerations. This section explores the human element behind captured technology. It could be expanded to include interviews with Ukrainian soldiers on their experiences with NATO weapons and the challenges posed by potential capture. The ethical implications of captured technology being used to train enemy forces or for potential human rights abuses could be discussed further. The role of international organizations like NATO and the United Nations in regulating arms sales and preventing proliferation could be explored in depth. By incorporating these elements, we can create a more nuanced understanding of the human dimension surrounding captured technology in the war in Ukraine. The global chessboard, geopolitical implications of captured tech. The war in Ukraine has transcended its regional boundaries, becoming a test case for advanced weaponry with far-reaching geopolitical implications. Here, we'll explore how captured technology could impact the global balance of power and the strategies of other nations. Beyond Ukraine, the ripple effect on international relations. The capture of NATO equipment in Ukraine could have a ripple effect on international relations in several ways. Eroding trust and hesitancy in arms transfers. The risk of losing advanced technology could make NATO countries more cautious in supplying weapons to future allies. This could limit the ability of other nations to defend themselves against potential aggressors. Emboldening Russia and its allies. Successful capture of sophisticated NATO weaponry could be seen as a victory for Russia and its allies, potentially emboldening them to engage in further military adventures. This could destabilize other regions with ongoing conflicts. Fueling arms races in other regions. Nations witnessing the effectiveness of captured NATO weapons may feel compelled to accelerate their own military modernization programs, leading to a global arms race. The information battlefield, intelligence gathering, and espionage. The potential for captured technology to reveal sensitive information poses a significant threat. Foreign espionage efforts. Nations not directly involved in the conflict may engage in espionage to obtain intelligence from captured equipment. This could expose NATO's military capabilities and tactics to a wider range of actors. Cybersecurity concerns. Captured equipment could be exploited for cyberattacks against NATO infrastructure or member states. Robust cybersecurity measures and international cooperation are crucial to mitigate these risks. The future of warfare. The lessons learned from captured technology in Ukraine could inform the development of new weapon systems and tactics by other nations, potentially shaping the future of warfare on a global scale. It's a balancing act, diplomacy and deterrence. Navigating this complex situation necessitates a multifaceted approach. Strengthening international cooperation, enhanced dialogue and information sharing among NATO allies and other countries is critical to track captured technology and prevent its proliferation. Investing in next-generation technology, continued research and development of even more advanced weaponry can ensure NATO maintains a technological edge over potential adversaries. Maintaining strong deterrent strategies, a robust military posture, and clear communication of NATO's commitment to collective defense can deter potential aggression and maintain global stability. Conclusion, a test for the future. The war in Ukraine serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of the world stage. Captured technology poses a significant challenge, but it also presents an opportunity for international cooperation and innovation. By acknowledging the risks and adopting a proactive approach, nations can work towards a future where advanced technology serves as a force for peace and stability.